Linus Tech Tips coverage of CES 2014 is brought to you by NCIX.com, your source for great technology, selection, and service, along with Corsair Memory and Western Digital.
Hey guys, we're here in the Venetian Ballroom checking out Steiger Dynamics. I know you guys have seen them before. They've been in some of our contests before. I know a lot of you are familiar with them, but you're also familiar with the crazy price point. So there's two really cool things that they've brought here to CES. The first one is the Maven. It's a cheaper version of the Elite that used to be around. It's a little bit costed down, but it's also a little bit featured down, but I think a lot of you will really appreciate that because you can still get the build quality and really nice finish and quality components that you could in the Elite, but it's just a little bit costed down, so it's a lot more affordable and easier for people to get at. It's still a premium product and it still has a premium price tag, just not quite as expensive as it used to be, so it's actually quite interesting. Also, they now have other options for platforms, so if you're into AMD, they have configurable options for you to be able to get AMD platforms in there, and you can still change everything else, and that's really interesting to see. I know a lot of you guys are really interested in Steam Machine and really excited for SteamOS to become fully released and not beta anymore, but this is something you can look into. We see a lot of stuff around CES and before CES about different companies releasing Steam machines. This isn't necessarily a Steam machine, but if you're into it, I would look into this because a lot of the other Steam machines, you might as well just build them yourselves. With a Steiger Dynamics system, you're getting that amazingly beautifully finished case that you can't really get anywhere else. So I see more value in this than another system that I'd rather just build myself. Next at Steiger Dynamics, we have the Couchmaster Pro. As for features and build and all that kind of stuff, there isn't a ton of changes. They've moved from a wooden top to a plastic top, which will reduce weight for shipping costs and will just reduce weight in general because that wooden top did actually weigh quite a bit. Other than that, there hasn't been a ton of changes. There's some minor cable routing stuff that's changed, and that's about it. But there's another really cool announcement here is that Steiger Dynamics is distributing it, so you can get it from an American distributor now instead of trying to get it shipped in from Germany all the time, which was really expensive back in the day, so it's a lot easier for you to get it now. Thanks for watching our video on Steiger Dynamics and Couchmaster. If you want to see all of our CES 2014 content, be sure to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips. And as always, thank you to our sponsors NCIX, WD, and Corsair.